Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me. And I have one sleepy sidekick joining me today. So Wyatt is here. There he is. Wyatt, can you say hi? Can you say hi? No? All right. Well, I'm sure you'll see him at some point in this video. He's usually pretty good at chasing bugs while I'm doing the try on. I'm excited. So thanks for joining me. I so appreciate you taking a bit of time out of your day to join me for my trunk club unboxing today. I almost forgot what box I had. Trunk club. My trunk club is here, and as many of you have probably heard, they have changed how they handle their stylists. Everyone now has a stylist team instead of their own personal stylist. So, how's that working out for everybody? My last box ended up actually pretty good. I had I had a good box. I don't think I kept a lot in the end, even though I did like quite a bit of it. I was trying to think of what was practical and where I wanted to spend my money, but I did keep some stuff. So this one, I did my preview. For those of you not familiar with Trunk Club, it is through Nordstrom. If you use your Nordstrom card, they waive the $25 styling fee. You now get a stylist team, so whoever's turn is up, I guess, grabs your name, and they have access to any previous notes that you've left, your profile, and they'll curate a box for you. Or a trunk for you. You get to view your trunk, and I got 10 items, and of those 10 items, I really only liked maybe 3 of them, I think I left in there. So I took everything else out, and that means that your stylist then gets to add 7 more items, and you don't get to preview them again. They then will send whatever 7 items are added, and I'm not sure I like the 7 items that were added for me. You can still view your trunk, but you get those 7 items. And I'm a little bit worried about this whole new way that they're doing the trunk club, because I feel like they're going to send out a lot of pieces that probably don't quite fit everyone's style. So I'm not sure about this one, but enough talking, let's dig right in. Okay, so here is what I see when I open my box. Everything does come in plastic. So I will take everything out of the plastic. It does look like I have shoes in here. And you do get somewhere a pamphlet that does have notes from your stylist, as well as a pricing sheet and a return label. So you put everything you don't want right back in this box. It goes back UPS. You can schedule for them to come pick it up, or you drop it off at a location with little stickers to seal it right back up. Let me get everything out of the bag, and we'll be right back. Okay, so everything is out of the packaging, and there's some interesting stuff in here. Let's run through it quick. So first up is by Halogen. I think I'm going to run through pricing too, just out of curiosity while I do this. I usually wait till the end, but in the interest of time, I'm going to do it now because I'm curious with these pieces since I don't have my stylist anymore. This first one is by Halogen, and it is called the V-neck cap sleeve top in cobalt. Oh, it's only $23.40, so that's not bad. I do like the color, and it's stretchy. It's not a knit. It's like a stretchy, thicker material. So that's not bad. I do like the color. We'll see what that looks like on. All right. What do you think, Wyatt, huh? Next up, these are by Madewell. And these are not a white, but if you know what I mean, they're not like really bright, but these are a white short. They're the curvy high-waisted denim short, and these are $69.50 by Madewell. And these don't really have a lot of stretch to them. And they don't look like they have a long inseam either. Doesn't say. I guess they don't want me to know. All right, interesting. Next up is a dress. I love the color. I'm not sure about the off the shoulder or this big ruffle, but we'll see what it looks like. I like the color. And this is by Charles Henry. Yeah, Charles Henry wrap dress is called. It's only $39.20. Not a bad price. Next up is by Caslon, and this is called the embroidered ruffle top, $69 in navy. So this embroidery in this is very pretty, very detailed, has the little ruffles all around it. So we'll have to see what that looks like on. $69, that one's a bit more expensive. This one is by Aster. It is the flutter sleeve surplus top. And this one must be on sale because it's only $23.60. It does have the elastic waist though. I'm not sure about that. And it has the little crossover, so we'll have to see. The little flutter sleeve top, sleeves. I'm not sure about this one. I'm not sure. The price is nice, but I'm not sure about it. Now these are cute. These are shorts. These are by Love 5. And they're called the Dot Ruffle Shorts. They're only $35, and I thought these were cute. They're a drawstring elastic waist. They look fun. All right. Next is a dress by Madewell. This is called the Striped Button Back Easy Dress, $98. Not sure about this one. It doesn't look like it has any shape, but we'll see. It has the buttons in the back, as the description says. Okay. Last clothing item is by Charles Henry again. And this is called the Off the Shoulder Dress, $88. Oh, okay. All right, the Off the Shoulder dress was this green one, obviously, $88. So the other Charles Henry dress is this one that I read to you first for $39.20, and it's called the wrap dress. I don't know why I didn't get that first. All right, this one's the wrap dress for $39.20. This one is the one where the price is not so bad. This one's actually lined at the bottom. Short sleeves, has the belt. Yeah, for the wrap. Okay. We'll see what this looks like on. I can't really get a good picture of it right now. It has like a little hook that comes over. So we'll get a better idea what this looks like on. All right, this one's the good priced one. Okay, so then I also got a pair of sunglasses, Ray-Bans this time. And I told you the stylists say that they do get, they have all access to all of the feedback that you've provided previously. And I question that because when my stylist for the last box, which was not my normal stylist, put a pair like this in the last time, I told them to take them out because I don't typically like sunglasses that have the nose protectors, because I like to put them on top of my head, and you can't do that when you have these. It gets tangled, or at least it does in my hair. But I still like the look, but I tend to always want to put them on top of my head, and then it won't work. But here's the Ray-Bans. And one last item, which I love. I got a pair of Tory Burch Millers. Love the Tory Burch Miller. You guys have probably seen these in my What I Wore videos, because I bought a pair about 3 or 4 years ago in the Camellie color, which I wear all the time. And my stylist had picked actually a tan pair, which I swapped out for this blue pair. Because you can do that if you get your trunk and get to preview it, you can swap colors. So I saw this blue pair and I swapped them, and these I love. If you don't have a pair of Tory Burch Millers, they're so worth the investment if you like this type of shoe. I love them. They're so comfortable. Awesome. So excited. That's all the pieces, guys. All right, let's get right to this try on. Forgot to tell you pricing. These are $154 and these are on sale for $132.66. Okay, now let's do the try on. Okay guys, so first outfit is this Madewell dress, and I have on the sunglasses so you guys can see what they look like. And I'm really surprised that I actually like this Madewell dress more than I thought I was going to. I really expected to hate it, and I don't. It's actually very lightweight, perfect for summer. It has the vertical striping as opposed to horizontal, which I like. There's no pockets or anything, and I wouldn't want to belt it because then I think that would actually put up and make it even shorter. And I say that because the other part I'm not sure about is how it looks from the back. I don't want it to like catch on anything as far as my butt goes, and like create any type of a shelf or anything. And sometimes I think it might, and other times I think it's fine. It has the pretty button detail on the back. And I think this is actually a really great, easy wear summer dress. Pull it right on, pick your favorite shoes. You go with a fun color. I just did neutral. But I think that you could have fun with this dress. It feels nice on. And here's what the sunglasses look like. What do you guys think of these? So this is a fun dress. I'm actually quite surprised. All right, we'll keep moving. Okay, so now I have on this green dress, and I'm really drawn to anything in this particular color for some reason. It just screams summer to me, and for some reason I actually really like this dress. No idea where I would wear it. I don't really need it. It's super dressy to me. It'd be nice even if I had like a baby shower to go to or something, but I don't. And it looks best off the shoulder, and it really nice. It actually has the armholes, and then this just sits right on top. So it actually, and it stays. So you can see, I can move my arms. It's not going up. It stays in place. It's actually a really pretty dress. It's well made. It's lined. The color is beautiful. This one was the more expensive of the two. So this one was the $88 one. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see how pretty this is. I do really like it. I do not feel I have an occasion though right now to wear it. Let me know what you guys think of it. It's pretty. All right, we got more clothes to try on. Okay, now I have on these fun Love 5 shorts and this really cute, it's a very cute blouse. I'm only worried because it has like the see-through stitching down the front that I feel like I'm probably going to have to wear something underneath it. So I'm not sure I love that. And the armholes are a little bit big, so I'm not sure. But I think the top is really pretty. Let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see it. It has the extra little ruffles here all the way around. So it is a really pretty top. I do like it. Looks really cute with these little shorts with the extra little ruffle around the bottom. They do have a drawstring waist, elastic, fun pockets, and these are a fun little easy breezy summer short. I like the little floral print in these with the purple and the white. Has a little bit of green in it too. So I think these are cute. I just put flip-flops on. It's a cute outfit. What do you guys think of these two pieces? I don't want to have to wear something underneath this top because it's already a heavy enough weight. It's about 80 degrees outside. Yeah. And I'm already heating up from this, and I have been running around, obviously, doing this try-on. But I feel like this is going to be a heavy weight if I have to wear something underneath this because of this cutouts down the front. All right. Okay, so now I have on the other Charles Henry dress. This one is the cheaper of the two, only $35. And this one is a true quality dress. It's completely lined on the bottom. It has these fun little pleats here in the front. Of course, it is a wrap. It is a true wrap. It does button on one side, ties on the other side. It is a midi, which I was surprised about, so it does go past my knee. And it's very cute. It feels nice on. I would say it's definitely worth the price. I'm just not sure that I need it. What do you guys think of this one? It does create a nice waist. And you obviously could really dress this up for work. Be a great daytime dress. You could even make this into an evening look if you really wanted to, depending on the shoes and jewelry and how you wear it. All right, I have a couple more outfits for you. Okay, so now I have on the Astor top and the white shorts by Madewell, and this is a super cute outfit. I love the jean shorts. They are a high waist, as you can see. They fit really well. They might be a little shorter than I would normally choose, but they fit really well. I do like them. The Astor top does have this elastic waist, and you can see it's a bit short. So if these weren't a high waist, it would definitely be too short. I still am not sure I would reach for it, as I think the elastic would just make me crazy on it, and I would just be tugging all day. I think the colors in it are very pretty. It is stitched shut here in the front, but I'm thinking it's just not my style. Okay, and I think I just have two more items to share. Okay, so the final two items on, which is this fun halogen top, which is a really comfy, stretchy material, and it's awesome color, and I actually do like it. I tucked it in just so you guys can see what it looked like with a front tuck. And of course my Tory Burch Millers, love these, absolutely love the Tory Burch Miller sandal. Super comfortable and totally worth the price, and these are on sale, so these might have to stay with me. This is a fun color. And this top is a bit longer, so here's what it looks like out. It does have some room, so it's not tight, but it does create a nice shape to the body. Get a bit closer. I like the V. The sleeves are a little bit of a cap. Cute. And that is all the pieces, so let's do a quick wrap up. Alright guys, so what did you think of my Stylist team picks? Do you think the Stylist team is working? I'm trying to give it a few trunks to let it settle, right? And we'll see. I did like having a stylist that I could actually interact with much better. But we'll see how it goes. So right now, what I'm thinking about is keeping this cute little bright cobalt blue top. I do like how soft it is. I do like that I could be casual or dressy with it. I'm pretty sure these Millers, Tory Burch Millers, are staying with me for sure. I love these. I love these, and I love that they're on sale. I'm also thinking about maybe these shorts. What did you guys think of these? I thought they were cute. So I'm thinking about these, and maybe this Madewell dress, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this striping, but I did like how lightweight it was and how it felt on. That's what I'm thinking about right now. All right, so I will list all these items down below for you in case you want to ask for any of them and have your stylist team put them in your next trunk, or I'll put the links directly to them on the Nordstrom site in case you want to just take a look at them. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, guys. I so appreciate it. I will put my link to Trunk Club down below in case you do want to give this service a try. If you use my link, you'll get $50 towards your first trunk, and I get $50 towards my next trunk. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, guys. I so very much appreciate it. Would love you to hit that like button. Would love you to hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed, thank you so very much. You guys are the best. Until next time, bye everybody.